wealth for your retirement years. Your own country is the safest option to save and grow your wealth. Axis Max Life Insurance offers variety of life insurance plan with guaranteed returns and life cover. Axis Max Life Insurance brings to you a unique opportunity for you to invest and gain from India's growth that comes with guaranteed returns life insurance plan. It gives the benefits to invest in a plethora of life insurance plans for the NRIs like you, residing across the globe. So, come invest in India as your motherland calls you. Take charge and protect your financial future, just as you protect your family and your loved ones.
So these are the videos, friends, which are available to all of you, which you can send to your prospects, you can send to your customers. If you're an agency associate or agency manager, So it's 5 minutes past 3, Darshan. I think we should begin. Even though we have just about 55 of us on the call. Manish, if you can ask your LPCs to, send the information ahead. People, if you can ask, I've also done that. It will be helpful. Darshan, if you can put it on a few more groups, as I'm talking, that will be helpful. And all the advisors who are on the call, Rashri Gandhi, I can see a lot of well-known names, Tina Mistry, Asha Verma ji, if you can kindly put it on your office groups as well, it will help us so that more people who are willing to gain knowledge on NRI and open calls, it will be helpful for them as well. So Shiva, I'm happy to see Shiva Subramaniam, from Pune, office head on the call. So if you can kindly put it on the office groups, it will be helpful to get more people on the call. So Manish, Vipul, I'm looking at both of you. Ruchika, thanks for joining in, Ruchika. Sure. Wonderful to have you on the call. So if you can get some of the ADRB advisors as well, to join in, it will be wonderful. So let's begin. Let's begin the presentation, friends. See, NRI business is a business which one must understand how to sell to NRIs. If you are in life insurance, if you're operating in life insurance space, it is very important. बहुत जरूरी है कि आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि NRI customers को हमें क्यों बेचना है, क्या बोलना है, उनका फायदा क्या है, क्या प्रोसेस है और किस तरीके से लोग इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का उपयोग करते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, because it is helpful for the NRIs, it is helpful for you of course to increase your business and take it to the next level and also एक अलग मार्केट सेगमेंट आपकी ऐड हो जाती है. सो इन कारणों की वजह से NRI बिजनेस becomes very important to be done. दर्शन, आपके यहाँ से शायद नेटवर्क की इशू आ रही है आपको, क्योंकि आई एम सीइंग कि वो ब्लैक पैचेस आ रहे हैं. आप मनीष मिश्रा को ये पीपीटी फॉरवर्ड कर दो 1 मिनट के लिए. फॉरवर्ड इट टू मनीष मिश्रा. ही इज सिटिंग इन द ऑफिस, तो ही विल बी एबल टू रन द पीपीटी बेटर देन यू, क्योंकि आपके यहाँ से वो ग्रे पैच आ रहा है. दर्शन,
आई जस्ट सेंट इट टू
मनीष मिश्रा, आपके पास ये पीपीटी है, तब तक मैं यहाँ से ओपन कर लेती हूँ. आपके यहाँ शायद नेटवर्क इशू है दर्शन, इट्स नॉट कमिंग प्रॉपर्ली. So allow me a moment. I am just putting up. Manish, आपको आ गई ये PPT?
I'm just waiting. Is it from?
From Darshan, you must have received the email.
Oh, yeah, not yet.
You have it?
No, not yet, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm sending it to you, Manish.
It is gone from my email, Manish, if you can.
कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएगा 1 मिनट में. No problem. It'll come in a minute. I'm also trying to send from my side so that he receives. एक बार बॉक्सर से भेज दो आप. बॉक्सर से जल्दी से चली जाती है. From your phone, if you send, Darshan.
Yeah, got it.
Got it? तो आप लगा दीजिए. तो let's start the presentation. You can put it up, Manish.
Yeah.
So for last about 10 years, the NRI business is soaring high. और जितने हमारे COT TOTs होते हैं, when we looked up at their data, friends, Not even one COT TOT we found who did not do a single case of NRI. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? जो COT TOT जो बड़े एडवाइजर होते हैं वो NRI कस्टमर्स की सेगमेंट में ऑपरेट करते हैं, जिनको वो NRIs को जानते हैं, वो अपना P5 P10 बनाते हैं और उनको वो अप्रोच करते हैं। उसका ये मतलब है कि NRI की अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर आप यूज करते हो तो आपके पास एक नया मार्केट सेगमेंट ऐड होता है। अगर आप ऑलरेडी NRI कर रहे हो, वी हैव बिग एडवाइजर्स लाइक Salzina, Ashok Bhai, in Gujarat, a lot of people from Gujarat are doing big business of NRI. There are some people in North जिन्होंने ये NRI की माहिरियत एक्सपर्टीज भी एक नया मसल डेवलप किया है उन्होंने. And of course our friends from South are doing NRI business. So we are going to present today 2 FHIs. हम आपके सामने 2 FHIs लाएंगे आज. ऐसे लोग जो NRI का बिजनेस करके MDRT कर रहे हैं, COT TOT देख रहे हैं और अच्छा they are having a good customer base of NRI. So let's move ahead, Manish, if we can go ahead, please. Okay, thanks. So आप देख पा रहे होंगे मेरे स्क्रीन पे फ्रेंड्स, FY25 एजेंसी ओवरऑल ग्रोथ वाज 12%. दिस इज फॉर आवर एजेंसी channel. However, in the same year, the NRI grew by double. The NRI business grew by 25%, slightly more than double we grew. And for all channels at country level, at company level, NRI business grew by 35% on a big base. On a big base of almost about 1,000 crore plus, the business of NRIs grew by 35%. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि we are very smart and we are selling very bright. No, इसका ये मतलब है कि जब आप NRIs को अप्रोच करते हो, the NRIs are buying it faster than what the Indian retail clients are willing to buy. For an example, if you are approaching 3 NRI customers or 2 NRI customers, one is agreeing to buy. Whereas in the Indian retail market, हम 6 लोगों को अप्रोच करते एक बंदा मानता है, 7 लोगों को अप्रोच करते एक बंदा मानता है. So we want to, none of us are saying कि भाई इंडियन रिटेल मार्केट में बिजनेस करना बंद करना है. कोई हम में से ये नहीं बोल रहा है. हम में से ये बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं आप सबको फ्रेंड्स कि आप NRI की भी प्रोस्पेक्टिंग स्टार्ट करो. स्टार्ट डूइंग NRI prospecting, also start operating in the NRI segment so that आपको पता चले कि NRIs क्या मांगते हैं. बहुत हवा नहीं है वहाँ पे. It's not a scary sight. It's not very difficult to sell to NRI. You need to open calls. Get the LPCs are there. The NRI BDMs are there. The zone LPC heads are there. Many of your training team members, the APMs, the officers are completely trained on NRI. And they will all help you, prospecting करने में आपकी help करेंगे. हमारे पास एक NRI का E10 का tool है, which Darshan will show you towards the end of the call. तो अगर आपके पास NRI की 1 या 2 या 3 या 5 लोगों के भी नाम है, एक का भी नाम है, we should write that down so that we can approach them. कैसे approach करना है, WhatsApp पे क्या बोलना है, email पे क्या बोलना है, messages पे क्या बोलना है, everything we have prepared ready for you country wise, which you can use in your conversations. We can go ahead, Manish. So we are saying friends ahead, हम इसको आगे ले चल रहे हैं. हम कह रहे देखिए 3.5 करोड़ से ज्यादा इंडियन लोग जो पैसे भी अच्छे कमा रहे हैं, ये इंडिया के बाहर बसे हुए हैं. ये डेवलप्ड नेशंस में हैं, ये ग्रोइंग नेशंस में बसे हुए हैं. हमारा देश NRI रेमिटेंसेस के लिए नंबर 1 देश माना जाता है पूरे विश्व में. इन द एंटायर ग्लोब our country, India, is number 1 in terms of getting the NRI remittances. Imagine 11 lakh crore came in 2024. So through this webinar, we are making you understand. Today is a Saturday. Saturday, Sundays होते हैं NRI पे काम करने के लिए, अपने पर्सनल काम. बेचारे वो पूरे हफ्ते तो लगे रहते. They work the whole week without the help. We have maids at home. We have drivers. We have cleaners to clean our homes. For them, they don't have. So they work very hard the entire week. Till Thursday, they work very hard. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they devote a lot of time towards their personal work, personal finances, pending work, any personal meetings, etc. So I'm requesting all of you, each one of you should ask yourself, Manish, Darshan, all my friends on the call, people, we should ask ourselves and we should ask our top advisors, कितनी meeting booked है weekend में NRI के साथ? How many meetings have you booked with the NRIs over the weekends? Because they have time. We have time all the time. Why? Because this is our job. हमारा काम ही है मीटिंग करना. Hence we have, that kind of a bandwidth, that kind of a time that we have kept for weekend. Because as we say, life insurance business is at its best on weekends. So, my request to all of you, if you know even one name, two names, three names, five names, नाम लिखिए. हमारा बिजनेस नामों से स्टार्ट होता है. Let's go ahead. NRI case size, the normal retail case size is 1 lakh. नॉर्मल हमारा एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ का केस साइज 1 लाख है. एनआरआई का नॉर्मल केस साइज 3.5 लाख रुपए है. 3.5 lakh is the case size for a normal NRI customer. NRI conversion in the normal Indian retail we are saying 6:1. In NRI we are saying 3:1. NRI persistency is above 95%, whereas the top advisor persistency used to be at 94%. It has come down to 90%. NRI persistency was at 94% last year. Last year it came to 95%. NRI persistency is going up. So my request to all of you is, do not ignore this conversation that we are having on this webinar. इसको आप थोड़ा seriously लो कि NRI में भी काम करना है, NRIs के नाम लिखने. If you are in life insurance, what do you want to do? Tell me. आपको 6 मीटिंग करके 1 मीटिंग क्लोज करने में मजा आता है या 3 मीटिंग करके 1 मीटिंग करने में मजा आएगा? आपको 6 मीटिंग करने के बाद 1 लाख रुपए उठाने में मजा आएगा या आपको 3 मीटिंग करने के बाद 3.5 लाख रुपए उठाने में मजा आएगा? आई एम आस्किंग यू दर्शन, in our PPT we should write this down. Darshan, what would you like? Would you like to do 6 meetings and convert one with 1 lakh, or what would you prefer? Would you like to do 3 meetings digitally? वो भी कर सकते हो आप. Do 3 meetings and convert one, with 3.5 lakhs. So 3 times is the NRI conversion rate, friends. The only thing is very few of us, हम कितने webinars करते हैं, हम कितने one-on-ones करते हैं. It's unfortunate that we are not able to rub off this energy well on all of you. But I feel, Darshan, I was saying that in the next slide we should write, what would you prefer? You would like to do 6 meetings face-to-face in India, or would you like to do 3 meetings even on a digital platform and convert? After doing 6 meetings, you are converting one with 1 lakh of rupees. With a, let's say, एक standard commission लगा लो आप, मान लो एक standard payout of, let's say, 40%, 50%, 60%. Would you like to earn 50,000 in one call after doing 6 meetings? या आपको 3 मीटिंग करनी हो सकता है, तीनों डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो जाए. आप कहीं नहीं निकले ऑफिस से या घर से, आपने एक जगह बैठ के कॉलें करी, लेकिन आपकी अर्निंग 3.5 टाइम्स है. व्हाट वुड यू प्रेफर? तो वो आगे डाला करो, एक स्लाइड बना दो उसकी दर्शन. तो अगली बारी वो डालो कि मुझे लगता है दर्शन, मनीष एंड विपुल, ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स ऑन द कॉल, हम बहुत बार ये बोलते हैं कि भाई आपको एनआरआई कॉल्स खोलनी है. आप it is not in our hands to convert any call. It is not in our hands. What is there in our hands? Go on a sales call, explain very well, do your best, do the sales call preparation and अच्छे से तैयारी करके जाओ. कस्टमर को जितना आप कन्विंस कर सकते हो करो. यही हम इंडियन रिटेल में करते हैं. Same चीज we are asking all of you friends to do it in a in a NRI segment. And can you believe, friends, एक बार आप लोग chat पे लिखो ताकि मुझे पता चले if everybody is listening to me. How many do you think? Let's say there are 100 advisors that get active in entire agency. As per all of you, how many people do NRI business? आप एक बार chat पे लिखना कि NRI का business अगर 100 people, if 100 people are getting active in agency, how many people as per you get active through NRI? Just put it on the chat. Write in the chat.
How many percentage of total active are the NRI, right? That's the question.
Yes. So people are already writing. Ashwini Sayal has written 30, Rajesh has written 5, Asha Verma has written 20, Rohit Pandey has written 10. Yes, you guys are writing correct. Your attempt is good. I'm happy you are attempting. Peri Shankar is writing 10, Rohit 10, Neena Mistry 4 to 2. Okay, good. All right. Thank you for your participation. Can you believe, friends? Can you believe? Salzina, thank you for writing 100% every month active with NRI only. Absolutely correct. So Salzina is saying, kitne log hai, how many people are there? So she's trying to help us. Friends, there are maximum 5 out of 100 every month who are getting NRI active. Only 5% people get NRI active every month. Only 5%. And let me confirm to you, those 5% people who get active in NRI every month, month on month, all of them are MDRTs. Every month, if somebody is doing one NRI call, hear me right. मुझे सुन लो friends अच्छे से. मनीष, दर्शन, दर्शन ये प्लीज सब कुछ डालना, ये पीपीटी बनाना, इसके लिए स्लाइड बनाना। अगर कोई हर महीने एनआरआई एक्टिव होता है, वो बंदा एमडीआरटी कर जाता है। जो हमारा डेटा कह रहा है कि अगर आपने एक केस एनआरआई का हर महीने लिखा, क्योंकि आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी, इट्स अ गुड एडिक्शन टू हैव, it's a good habit to have. So we have seen that all are every month, if somebody has put NRI case, if there are 6 months or above MDRT, NRI active, all of them have become MDRTs. So Darshan, please put this as a data point. Anyone who has become 6 month MDRT and more, 12 month वाले MDRTs तो पक्का है, 6 महीने से ऊपर के भी जो बंदे वो एमडीआरटी बन जाते हैं. सो प्लीज फ्रेंड्स, ये अगर आप सीख गए, इफ यू नो हाउ टू ओपन एनआरआई कॉल, इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प यू to do your MDRT. If you're already MDRT, it will help you to do COT. If you're already a COT, it will help you to do TOT. So NRI every month. It's not NRI anymore, Darshan. We should say, are you NRI active for the month? Are you NRI active for the month? If you're not NRI active for the month, you're leaving very huge opportunity on the table.
In
That's
fact,
how we should.
Reshma, I just wanted to add, they
Yes.
don't need to add much of their time. I think 10-15% of week's time will suffice, because if you see last line, it's a smart way of doing business.
अरे इतना जरूरी
90%
नहीं है दर्शन, इतना जरूरी नहीं है. हमने तो सिंपल रखना है, सिंपल दर्शन. Open 5 NRI calls, become NRI active. Open 5 NRI calls, become NRI active every month. You become NRI active every month, you become MDRT. So simple, Darshan. You want to do MDRT, become NRI active every month. 5 calls खोलिए, क्योंकि 3 में ही एक केस आ जाता है, friends. You open 3 calls, you'll get 1 call, one sale. And 1 sale with 3.5 lakh. In Indian market, nobody's saying don't do it. But I'm just comparing to tell you, क्यों नहीं करते? I feel really pained. I feel so painful. I find it so painful. People know people abroad, but they don't contact them for business. Why? Don't do that. So in this Saturday webinar, I'm just bringing forward this opportunity to all of you, that please contact your NRI customers, prospects. Ask your Indian customers to give you references. If you don't have enough references, ask. Even if you have 10 active customers, call them, ask them for a reference of a person who's staying in Dubai, GCC countries, UK, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, US. Ask them, do you know anybody who's staying abroad? Give me one name, sir. Give me one name. You have 3 names, you'll convert one. You'll convert one, you'll do 3.5 lakh. You do 3.5 lakh, you'll do MDRT, by becoming active every month. NRIs, they will give you references easier than what Indian customers give you. I'll repeat. आपको एनआरआई कस्टमर्स अगर आपके हैं, वो आपको रेफरेंसेस ज्यादा जल्दी. दर्शन, ये सब स्लाइड्स पर डालना प्लीज. अगली पीपीटी जो लाएंगे आप, उसमें ये सब आप डाल के लाना. अगर आपके पास एनआरआई कस्टमर्स है ना, आपको वो रेफरेंसेस आराम से दे देंगे. इंडियन कस्टमर्स डरते हैं, अरे मैं दर्शन का नाम दे दूंगा, ये मुझसे खफा हो जाएगा. इफ आई गिव Manish's name, he'll ask me, why did you give my name? Yeah, Reshma, I wasn't interested. But if I'm working for Google in the US, Darshan is my downline, or Darshan is my colleague, I will say, Darshan, I bought this. I think it makes sense, because I made so much of money. 6% is what I'm going to get, Darshan. After all the taxes and everything, Darshan, I think I will still make about 4.5%. I think I was good with it. Shall I give you a name? Darshan will say, yeah, it's okay. Give my name maybe next weekend, not this weekend. But so I'll say, okay, I'm giving my name to, giving your name to my advisor, Vipul Dhar. He's asking me for some references. Darshan, I'm giving your name. If it works out for you, great. If not, no problem. So those people are professional. They feel, oh, okay, Reshma bought. Reshma is a wise girl. She's bought something. Maybe it will work for me. And it's not necessary, Darshan. If you don't like, you don't have to buy. It's your preference. So Darshan says, okay, this is how professional you get references of the NRIs. Easier, much easier to get NRI references than what we get in India. India में हम शोशेबाजी में रह जाते हैं. हम वो मेहमान नवाजी में रह जाते कि पता नहीं मनीष को क्या लगेगा, पता नहीं दर्शन मेरे से कितना खफा हो जाएगा. हम देते नहीं. हम कहते भैया पूछ के नाम देंगे, पता नहीं देंगे कि नहीं देंगे. बट इफ आई एम एन इंडियन वर्किंग अब्रॉड, Manish Mishra is giving me service. Manish Mishra is my advisor. I will, अगर वो मुझे अच्छी सर्विस दे रहा है, and if I like his services, I may want to give name of Darshan. And Darshan gets aligned very fast there. Why? Because he says, ठीक है, बात ही करनी है ना, मैं देख लेता हूँ. If I like it, then I'll go for it. So my push to all of you, do not ignore NRI segment. Do not ignore NRI segment. And it's not very difficult to crack an NRI sale.
Acha,
It's
we
not
just
very.
got a chat, Reshma, Peri Shankar Sharma. He has written that he has closed 10 lakh NRI call day before yesterday and qualified for the cruise. क्या बात है?
So happy, and very, very, happy to read that, Peri Shankarji. If there is anybody else who closed an NRI case last month or this month, or if you have your sales calls on, write it. We will clap for you. And if you have your calls open, we will pray that your calls come true very soon. And if there are
Madam, I would,
yeah, sorry,
I would,
sorry.
yeah, I would like to add that, madam, these 6 months I have done 28 lakhs business from NRI only.
Great.
See, you're going to do your MDRT very soon,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm
So
only 5
happy.
lakhs. I'm only 5 lakhs short of my MDRT, madam.
Wow, wonderful. Wonderful, Sharmaji, wonderful.
Thank you,
Fantastic. See, we did not call him for FHI, but I'm so happy, Peri Sharmaji, that, you came and you shared this. So, requesting everyone, do not ignore this, at all. Let's go ahead. So,
Madam,
what have you written here?
NRIs
NRI is a smarter way to do business. Yeah, sorry,
Madam?
Sharmaji, go ahead.
NRIs are amazing, madam. They are easy to convince. They listen to us and they close the call very easily.
Thank you so much for reiterating. I'm so happy that we did not invite you for FHI, but after these two FHIs we have, Sharma ji, you stay online. Please stay on the call. I'm inviting Priyesh and I will be inviting Rajesh for their experience sharing. After they complete, क्योंकि आपका तो बिल्कुल fresh है case, so you can tell after Priyesh and Rajesh complete their explanation of the case, you please come forward and share yours as well.
Sure.
So we have, thank you. So we have Priyesh, Kunteta from Faridabad 1. See, this is a market. Faridabad 1 is a market which is not NRI belt. It is not a potential NRI belt. But if Priyesh has done 25 lakhs of business in April plus May, that means इन्होंने NRI segment में consciously काम किया होगा. It's not as if something fell into his lap. He must have worked on it. So we will understand from Priyesh what is it that he did. And we will also understand from Rajesh Padmanabhan, who's our veteran in Chennai, who does very, very, very good preparation of a sales call. So we will understand from Rajesh how's he doing NRI business. So from here on, I will request Darshan to take it on. I will also be there, Darshan. I'll stay active on the call, Darshan.
Yeah.
But, I would request you to co-anchor in case needed.
Sure,
So,
sure.
Priyesh ji, welcome from Faridabad 1, NRI business of 25 lakh. Many congratulations to you. So happy to see, a North 2 belt, opening NRI calls and closing them so nicely. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Please go ahead and share, Priyesh ji, कैसे close किया आपने, क्या किया था, थोड़ा इंग्लिश हिंदी मिक्स का करके बताएं, because यहाँ पे हमारे साउथ के फ्रेंड्स है बहुत सारे, और साउथ का ऐसा बेट है जो ये NRI बहुत अच्छे से करता है. They do NRI very well and they've been doing it traditionally for a very, very long time. तो आपने कैसे किया, प्रियेश कुंडा जी? आपकी क्या बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस है? आप हमारे ऑडियंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? We are 131 on the call. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे हम सबको? Please share your experience, sir.
So my focus product is term insurance. That is, protection is something I focus on. And the case I closed was for a friend, a brother friend. He studied with my college. So he was in Faridabad. He was coming like from university back here. I just went to meet him. We discussed the case, So I told him that I'm doing this. So he said, I'm also looking for insurance. He said the problem with US is that they give insurance for only 20 or 30 years insurance case. They don't give you long-term insurance. And he was particularly looking for long-term solution that, he can have coverage till 85 years.
Right.
So that's why he said that I'm looking for insurance. And if I have to, in future, company, I still have insurance from here. So he to get me insurance now. Then maybe when I'm 60, I'm returning back, it will be difficult to get insurance then. So he wanted to have a cover of 25 CR because he's a dentist there, so he has already got the amount of income. So he was well qualified for up to 50 CR coverage. So he took a 25 crore coverage. We gave him 10 PPT. So that's why 25 lakhs is the WFIB that we have gone. And he was very happy. Max, I think Max is one of the best when it comes to term insurance. Numbers are really amazing. The payout and payout also same treatment. So he didn't much, convincing. He was convinced with when I showed him the numbers, IDA annual report, and showed him the number. He was very convinced that Max Life is good. And then it was all support from my regional team. Like they really helped me out. There was some slight hiccups, but the team resolved it very well. So I think it was more group effort than just my own effort. So yeah, was very happy that I was able to close this case.
Fantastic, Prayeshji. So what's your pipeline now? How many more NRI calls have you opened, sir? Now that you have got such big success.
So now I'm trying to convert his brother also. He also asked that when he will be back in India, he will also take insurance with me. And at the same time, when he was here, we asked that the Rohan whom I sold 25 crore term plan. So we have asked him for reference. So I said I will definitely share the reference with you. So that's how my pipeline will grow. So asking reference from the existing client is something that will help me.
Okay. So you're saying, take references from the customers and that will help you. So this year, what is the goal that you have kept, sir, from NRI? What is the business number you've kept as a goal for this year? How much would you like to do?
If you were to say, let's see how much is get converted, but definitely want to double this number for sure. And hopefully maybe triple, but double is something at least I'm targeting. That should be there.
Oh, sure. So that means you'll do your MDRT from NRI alone. So thank you, Prayeshji, and wishing you good luck, sir. When did you join Max Life? Which year?
October last year.
Wow, fantastic. So you are lesser than 1 year old, and you've already identified a great market segment NRI. I'm sure you're going to complete your COT overall and 50 lakh from NRI. We wish you all the best from Axis Max Life, sir.
Thank you, Priyesh. रेशमा आज मैं उनसे बात कर रहा था, and now that he has recently closed in the month of May only closed this policy, and now we see मुझे एक gold mine मिल गया. So now he is say कि yes, he will do it on NRI only.
Prayeshji, because my daughter is in the US. जब मैं US गई थी तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं जब भी Max Life की जॉब छोड़ूंगी, I have Salzina as my idol here, who does every year COT from only NRI. Only from NRI she does COT. So I'm very clear, whenever I get retired, I only want to do NRI business because it is the easiest. You can do it sitting in one place. कुछ और करना ही नहीं है. दिन की 5-6 meetings कर लो. It's very simple business model. दिन की 5-6 meetings कर लो. एक जगह बैठ जाओ आराम से और कस्टमर की नीड पहचानो. सेल्स कॉल की अच्छी तैयारी करो. Prepare well for your sales call because those are learned guys. They are not people who don't know. They are very learned people. So you prepare well. Find 5 people every day. Book your appointments because Dubai वगैरह में तो आपको रोज की भी मीटिंग मिल जाती है. You don't need US UK clients only. Priyeshji and everyone. You don't need only Indians settled in UK US. Please go after people who are working in Dubai, people who are working in Malaysia, Singapore. यहाँ के लोग आपको डे टाइम ही अपॉइंटमेंट देंगे 2 बजे 3 बजे 4 बजे 5 बजे. इंडिया के टाइम बोल रही हूँ मैं आपको. इंडिया के टाइम 2 बजे 3 बजे 4 बजे 5 बजे आपको ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट यू विल गेट एंड यू विल हैव अपॉइंटमेंट्स एवरी डे. ये जो मिथ हमने बनाया हुआ है ना दर्शन, ये भी स्लाइड पे डाल देना अगली बार. Because I was in Dubai, friends. I was in Dubai. Max had sent me to do survey last year in Dubai when we opened the Dubai office. Let me confirm to you, Priyeshji, Salzina, Rajesh. Let me confirm to all of you. I had meetings on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I was there for 4-5 days. I had meetings on thick weekdays because they don't believe कि Monday कोई काम करना है. Those people they work very methodically. They gave us appointments. They met us in coffee shops, in working days, in malls. Okay. So I'm just trying to put this forward. This is how, when you're talking, the ideas come. When you're talking, you understand, that you were in Dubai, like I was in Dubai. If I could do a face-to-face meeting, Rajesh Padmanabhan, in Dubai, why won't they give me time to do a meeting on digital platform on a Wednesday, Thursday or Friday? Why do I have to wait for the weekends? If we can take the trouble of coming to a mall, have coffee with me, spend an hour, understand and go back, he can jolly well come even on a weekday for 25-30 minutes on a digital call. Yes or no, Rajesh?
Absolutely.
Yes or no, Priyesh?
That's the way it worked for me too. Absolutely.
But I'm just making the group understand. Let's look for different business opportunities and let's not get stuck in the old, old thoughts that the meetings will happen like this only. No, let's come out of that. Let's copy what Dr. Sanjay Tolani says. 30 minutes and out. 30 minutes and out. Go to the next person. Go to the next person. Keep meeting people. You don't know who will get impressed with your solution. So meeting many people is the key. Today we're talking NRI, so we are saying, can we meet Rajesh? Can you take this challenge of, can I find 3 people of Dubai every day? You have more than 10 lakh, 20 lakh people staying in Dubai and working and making money, Indians, right? Dubai is one place. You have Abu Dhabi, you have Qatar, you have Sharjah, you have I don't know how many places where weekday आपका Indian time के हिसाब से आपको meeting मिलेगा. You'll get meeting as per the Indian time. Let's not miss out and let's not have these notions. Oh, only Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I can't disturb the NRI on a weekday. I think let's come out of that and let's start approaching people for online digital appointments for 30 minutes. Things may change. And even if it doesn't change, Rajesh, am I spending 1 crore rupees for this idea? I only tried, I called, I took references. If I get appointment for Wednesday, great. If I don't get, I will anyway get for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what's the big deal? So, my request to everyone, all the big guys in any field, they fail when they invent. You will never find if first aeroplane somebody made and it started flying from day 1 with 1,000 passengers. It never happened like that. The first boat sunk, it drowned. पहली बोट बनाई थी वो drown हो गई, डूब गई. It drowned. First, so many flights fell and so many people died. But today, so confidently we sit in Emirates, so confidently we sit in our own, Indian Airlines, Air India, and we fly without thinking. We are on the phone, we are doing Zoom. We don't care if flight land hogi ki nahi land hogi. We are 100% sure ye land. So I'm saying, let's invent. So what if we fail? So what if we don't get appointments? So what if our 2-3 days go waste? But because of this, we may just find a new way of working. Rajesh, what do you say?
No, perfectly right.
Rajesh, is it possible that after trying, after 6 months, is it possible, I'm saying only from the possibility frame, is it possible that every week you meet 3 or 4 people from NRI segment during the 9 to 7 working hours of Indian time, you'll be able to do it? Is there a possibility?
Very much doable.
So you sochte hai, let's think, let's work like that. All in mind, yeah. So over to you, Rajesh. Welcome. So Rajesh is our another hero for NRI who logged in 25 lakhs of business in April and May. And he's been continuously sourcing, doing MDRT, doing NRI business. And we have requested Rajesh to come forward and share his heroic story. Please go ahead, Rajesh.
Thank you. Those are superlatives, Reshma. I'm truly humbled. And I'm just about 6 years old in Max Life or from this financial services industry. But thanks to people like you, I learn pretty fast. And same as, business from NRI, again, learning about opportunities and learning about how to approach NRIs, that learning also has been pretty fast. So, I'll fast forward, I'll straight away get to the case that we talked of. Well, incidentally, those of you who attended the Thursday's Utkarsh, I did share a case study. It is like a case study because I handle every case like a project, especially this NRI case. There, the focus was on annuity, but I'll just tilt the scales a little bit and tell you the importance of why this case is so specific, that that the pride in sourcing this as an NRI case.
Recording in progress.
Well, those of you who really, and I see so many chats. I was just watching some of the chats from quite a few people who are saying that they need tips on opening NRI calls, etc. Most of the answers were in Reshma's 15 minutes. First and foremost, do your homework. They are extremely aware. For that matter, they do a lot of background research. First of all, they do a background check. And so, the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you tips on how to handle NRI case. I'm going to tell you, what I practiced, which I'm going to preach. As simple as that.
Rajesh, somebody's written on the chat, what to say, how to open calls. So that also, if you can kindly cover, it will be helpful.
Correct. I think I'll do that. Yes, I think I'll stay focused on that. Yes. See, first and foremost, how do you connect to an NRI? Mr. Priyesh, hearty congratulations if you're still there on this call. A wonderful way of capitalizing on a natural market. A close friend who was there with him in Faridabad moved to which country, I'm not sure, but somebody who was eligible for a 25 crore term insurance. And we all know that India's term plans are among the cheapest in the world, least expensive in the world. Cheap is not the right word to use. Yeah, they're the least expensive in the world and feature rich too. Yeah, so if you see here, Mr. Priyesh identified a sweet spot. In the case of NRIs, first and foremost is your approach. In this case, it's a natural market, which Mr. Priyesh shared. In my case, it's a stark stranger. So it's a referral market, a second tier referral, I should say, which means that a client who I acquired through a referral actually referred this prospect to me. Okay. So tip number 1 is that do your homework. Now, what are the ingredients of your homework? I go the classical, the marketing approach. If you are all familiar with Philip Kotler, price, product, place, promotion. That's it. First of all, know your product very well. Okay? Number 1. Step number 1, that knowledge you'll anyway acquire if you're pretty much regular in the trainings that Max Life does. And if you regularly attend Utkarsh and Gurukul, that's good enough. And all the sessions on product launches. Okay. Second is that project yourself as a thorough professional. What I mean by this is that, the approach, NRIs expect a lot of professionalism. Now, what's professionalism? It's just about living up to a commitment that you make to them. They love to work with people who are straightforward, and they love to work with people who are kind of matter of fact. When it's business time on a conversation, if you want to exchange pleasantries, is exchanging pleasantries. If the call is meant for us to take this connect forward in terms of business, then it is just that. That's the way NRIs like it. Okay. So be very matter of fact, which goes back to the fact that if you want to be matter of fact on a call, it's important that you do your homework. Okay, number 1. Now, how do you acquire NRI clients? They are all over the place. Every single state of India and union territory of India has NRIs staying there. So one good way to approach is that reach your natural market, ask for reference of people in their families who have gone abroad, whichever country, any of the countries which are not FATF, as simple as that. Okay. So that's the way you start prospecting, number 1. Number 2, I also want to reiterate what Reshma said. The conversion ratio is 3 times better than what it would take in the resident Indian market.
Yeah.
In my case specifically, my approach is pretty much similar to what Reshma propounded. You make 3 calls and you have 1 closure. That's the ratio. Well, in my case, I make 3 calls all to the same client and my conversion is 100%.
Yeah,
This is my experience with NRI.
very well.
Why do I make 3 calls? Because first call is an introduction. It's a simple conversation where I try to understand NRI's need. And in that call, I tell them what we do. In Max Life, why invest in India, why invest through Max Life, and most importantly, why me? So that's a step-by-step process of building trust. Second call, whatever information you have gathered in the first call, translate it in the form of products, send an email. Prior to that, after the first call, send a simple email acknowledging, thanking him or her for the time allotted for that call. Okay. So second call, you talked about your alternate solutions to NRIs. Now, I underline the word alternate. NRIs love options. Anybody loves options, correct? Even when we want to buy a refrigerator, we go and look at options when we do window shopping. NRIs at the back end are always window shopping. They will never trust one product. They will never buy in on just one product or one solution. They will like options. Now, how can you preempt this? You yourself give 1 or 2 options, right? For example, if you're talking about a term plan, you could talk of non-trop as one option. You can talk of trop as one option. You can talk about level sum assured as one option. And as the NRI's needs keep increasing, you can talk of increasing cover as another option. So NRIs love options. They would like that ego, that pride to be satisfied that they have chosen one among the options that you have given, rather than you trying to be overbearing. So this is one very important ingredient you have to be clear on when you approach an NRI. Give them options. Even two is good enough. Okay. So the second call typically would be in terms of explaining why are you recommending these options to the client, okay, and in what way the client would benefit. Give some time to the NRI to think. Do not push the NRI for a premature closure. They would not love to do that. Okay. After the second call, that's where the maza, the fun starts. That is when you're kind of zeroing in. And the third call invariably is a closure call. So this is my personal opinion. It's good to break one connect with an NRI between 2 to 3 calls. Why am I saying this? Because it's the calls are worth that much. They're typically 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs cases. In my case, my 2 years ago, I closed a 30 lakh NRI case, which was an Indian OCI, Australian citizen. And now again, this is a 28 lakh NRI case, which is an annuity, incidentally. In this case, it is more to do with, assuring an income to an NRI customer, especially when the NRI and his spouse and his children are not going to be entitled for citizenship in the country where they will otherwise love to live. Dubai, best of both worlds. Correct? So the sweet spot is there, and it's an annuity to NRI is a great opportunity, especially the GCC countries, because I don't think there has ever been an Indian except Mr. Yusuf Ali of the Lulu market fame, which we have all heard of, who has actually got a citizenship. This client of mine, Ultra HNI, the entire family holds a golden visa card in Dubai, which means technically this client can stay up to 10 years beyond his retirement age. He works in one of the corporates in Dubai. Okay, so that's the kind of gold mine, to quote Mr. Priyesh's words, the kind of gold mine that is available in NRI's calls, right? And very simple. You just have to follow these steps. First of all, build trust in the client with your approach. Be very professional in your communication. Follow every connect with a simple WhatsApp message or a call. And then trust me, the closure is far less surprising, far less suspenseful than any resident Indian call. And what's a good thing about NRIs? It's more to do because of the global exposure they've had, especially the way, their business, their work on their work front, they keep communicating with Europeans and Americans who are by nature known to be very matter of fact. So you will never find a wishy-washy answer from NRIs at all. It's always cut and break. If I like it, an NRI would say, yes, I love this product. Let's go ahead. If I don't like it, he will not beat around the bush and tell you, oh, let me take some time. I need to check with my wife. I need to check with my girlfriend. You won't hear such excuses at all from NRIs. It is straight. Because, like I told you, but in the second and the third connect, he would have already done his homework by taking a consensus with his spouse. That's the way NRIs work. They value time, they value professionalism, and most importantly, they value trustworthiness. I think these are my 3 mantras when you approach NRIs. Once you've overcome these and made yourself competent enough for this, I think the closure is breeze. That's what I should say. And imagine the ticket size. Amazing.
Great show.
Thank you for sharing, Rajesh. I think very wonderfully, very simply, you could explain the whole story of yours. And I would suggest one thing to the entire group. As Rajesh said, see kya bola Rajesh ne? He said his conversion was 100%. He said, it could be 3:1 for many people, but for Rajesh it was 100%. Then he said, they will not faff around. अगर लेना है तो बोलेंगे, नहीं लेना तो नहीं बोलेंगे. कहेंगे, I don't need your services. I'm happy. I will come back to you in 3 months, 1 year. Allow me time. Not right now, please.
Yeah.
Very professional. यहाँ पे पता ही नहीं चलता यहाँ पे इट्स ऑलवेज अ सरप्राइज. 10 लाख बोल के 1 लाख करते हैं, 1 करोड़ बोल के. आई हैव सीन केसेस, राजेश and all my friends, because
Yes.
I'm for 21 years I'm in agency only. 21 years I've risen through ranks. I was good as a national LPC head. I had joined as a frontline sales manager, became AP management, which we call branch manager today, then the office head, then the regional LPC, then zonal LPC and national LPC for last 6 years now. Not joined as a national LPC straight away. I have come धक्के खा के हम ऊपर आए हुए हैं. So friends, what I understand is in Indian market, I have had situations where हमने 1 करोड़ की call खोली and we got only 1 lakh. We opened 1 crore. We showed illustrations of 1 crore. Only 1 lakh came. And we showed illustration of 10 lakh and we closed a case of 2 crore 35 lakh. That also happened in the same Indian retail market. Both the things, you never know which way it will go. But to NRI, if I show a $5,000 illustration, let's say if I show a 10 lakh illustration INR, they will tell me, Reshma, show me for 20 lakh. Reshma, show me for 5 lakh. Then we will discuss. So you know how much the client is actually going to pay. You know, how much is he wanting for it? They ask very clearly, 5 lakhs. How many years, Reshma? 10 years. What happens if I don't pay? This happens if you, okay. So you keep it 4 lakh because they will always see their pocket and their intention is to run the pay till the end. That's why NRI में कोई persistency में I do no effort, no calling, no emailing. Automatically it is at 95% or the 95%. Indian market में we do so much of work, then it is at 87, 88%. So you can very well imagine, friends, Indians, when they go abroad, they become very professional, they become very truthful, they become very honest, they become very loyal, they change, completely 360 degree. And when they are in India, they behave differently. When they are abroad, they behave differently. I am guaranteeing you, you'll be very happy if you start learning how to open a NRI call. सीखो. अगर सीखने से एक केस में 3.5 लाख रुपए आता है, 3.5 lakh in your pocket. If you're a top agent, you're going to get 1 point through one case. Your earning is 1.75 lakh. What goes from your pocket to just learn how to do NRI business? So my push to all of you on the call, we are about 100 now on the call, 120 of us. Please learn. With my hands, I'm requesting you, learn how to do one case of NRI every month and you'll be so happy. You will never leave this business, I promise. Why do we have people like Rajesh, Shalini? Because they know how to sell NRI and they will never go out of business, I'm promising you. You'll find Rajesh becoming 90 years of age. You'll find Shalini Kohli at 100 years of age. You'll find Salzina at 95 years of age. They will be doing this only for a living and they will do very well. They will do very well. They will have the best fleet of cars. They will have best homes. They will have best helps at home because they will earn till they are 99. Then they will become even more expert and they will have teams who will do it for them. Business for legacy building. This is a business forever. So ये business आपको तभी मजा आएगा जब आपको अलग-अलग चीजें करनी आएंगी. Hand over the dais once again to Darshan. Really happy. Rajesh, Priyesh, you both forward or up.
Yeah, I must.
Signal area.
To what you said, Reshma, I should add another.
क्रूज कर लिया और आपकी बॉल्स खुली हुई है तो आप भी हमें अगर please go ahead, Rajesh.
No, sorry, voice was breaking, so I just closed my video. No, I'm fully able to relate to what you said, Reshma. I mean, not in terms of my income and my future. Thanks for that, Tatastu. But this case, I was poised to do my MDRT, early MDRT in March, with this case being 20 lakhs. Reshma, you know the background. We travel through the motions on this case.
Yes, absolutely. I know. Absolutely.
March end, this was supposed to close because, I am unfortunately not able to do the Sanjay Tulani way of 30-minute meetings. But then, because I believe that we are doing a long-term project for this client, and more so because you're dealing with the hard-earned money of this client, to give him a guaranteed income for the rest of his life when he would not have any other source of income. So I let the client take his time. Suddenly, Ramzan was announced during the last week of March, and this gentleman went off on a staycation. The point I'm trying to say is that NRIs don't care about your deadlines. So,
Correct, correct.
how do you kind of reflect on this? How do you kind of counter this problem at your end? Never try a 11th hour closure with NRI. If you're targeting a set of NRI cases for closure during the last week of December, please, friends, be proactive and try to close them early December, because post 15th December, entire West is shut down for Christmas. Likewise, close to Ramzan, Bakrid, East, Middle East is closed. So the point I'm trying to say is this: exactly what happened to me. He just messaged me and said, Rajesh, we can connect first week of April. I'm off for a staycation with my old schoolmates who came on a holiday to Dubai. What can I do? I said, fine, no problem. But I'll tell you the sweet spot. We extended this further. I just messaged him. I told him, Mr. Subbu, great, enjoy your holiday. That will probably give her greater time to further deep dive on your retirement planning. And that's exactly what happened. He increased his annuity income need by 20% when we connected in April. So my 20 lakh case became 28 lakhs. And in April end, not only did I close MDRT, I also cleared my executive council.
Fantastic.
So this kind of magic will happen with NRI case.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you for sharing, Rajesh.
Yep.
Sharma ji, आप हो क्या call पे? Sharma ji?
Peri Shankar ji, you are there? I had made you co-host.
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir. I'm here.
Yes. Would you like to share your experience, sir? You can remove the slide, Darshan, for a minute.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yeah, myself, Peri Shankar from Visakhapatnam 1, madam. Am I audible?
Yes,
Go
yes,
ahead.
yes.
Yes, you are absolutely audible. You are visible. Kindly go ahead.
Yeah, but I'm only 2 years old in this insurance industry, madam. I joined in May 2023, and I've done 2 MDRTs till now. I'm on to my third one also very shortly.
Fantastic.
And thanks to NRI cases, madam, this year from Jan till now, I have done 28 lakhs of only NRI business and another 12 lakhs of domestic business, totaling to 40 lakhs.
Wow, that's wonderful. Many congratulations, sir.
Thank you, madam. And out of these 28 lakhs, I have only 3 NOPs and 2 customers.
Wow, that's a HNI
10
business.
लाख
that
का
you
केस
have.
साइज हो गया रेशमा इनका.
Yeah. So, and
Very good.
the extra 12 lakhs, I have 14 NOPs. So, that is the power of NRI. As Mr. Rajesh sir rightly pointed out that NRIs are amazing people to deal with. They are very amicable. They listen to us. And above all, they know the value of insurance. They value insurance a lot, and they give us a very patient hearing. And the best thing is we can close the calls within 3 to 4 sittings. No, we did not elaborate too much as we do in India. In the sense, we need to give them the clear picture, and they understand it very quickly since they are very highly learned, and they close the call with either a positive note or a negative note. They don't just brag around the call. That's the beauty of it. So time is not wasted on the call. And it's easy to, approach them also, because since being educated, they understand our economics and how insurance industry operates. And I find it very convenient to deal with them personally, madam. And finding an NRI who is interested in insurance is also not such a difficult task. We have many sources, to do it, starting from our national market to know our references and to gold cases and many other avenues to get these names who are really interested in this insurance. So that is the one area where I would advise all my colleagues to concentrate and get the most out of it. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you. Sharma ji, what's your goal for this year through NRI?
Pardon, madam?
What is your goal for NRI business this year, sir?
Madam, I would like to complete my COT, madam.
Kya baat hai. Many congratulations, on your great start, and I'm sure you're going to do wonderfully well, in your COT business through NRI. So,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience. Darshan, we go back to our PPT now. Thank you.
Yeah. So Manish, if you can, or let me try if I can share quickly. It's already 1 hour, Reshma, so I will just quickly wrap up with
Yeah, absolutely.
Q&A.
Take 5-10 minutes and just
Yeah.
do a overview now,
Just
because I
yeah,
think it was very important and very engaging actually, Darshan, to hear from people who have been doing well in NRI, because that gives us a belief कि बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं तो हमें भी करना चाहिए.
correct.
एंड इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को लोग टेबल पे छोड़ रहे हैं. पीपल आर लीविंग इट ऑन द टेबल, क्योंकि इफ आई हैव 100 MTD case active in entire agency, only 5 people are able to do NRI. The others are not even trying. The problem is not they're not doing. They're not even trying, not even opening account. That's what I'm requesting all these 100 people on the call कि अब आप call जरूर खोलिएगा, friends. If you're listening to me, please write in the chat. Will you open call? Please give me that. ऑन सैटरडे हम सब अपना टाइम लगा रहे हैं आपके लिए. मुझे सिर्फ चैट में ये लिख के बताइए फ्रेंड्स, विल यू एटलीस्ट ओपन NRI calls? Will you open 3 calls? Because 3 calls will mean at least 1 conversion. After listening to all of this, we have LPCs, NRI BDMs, Darshan, me. All of us, we can come on the calls. If you have big calls of 50 lakh and above, Darshan can come. We have in central team Aman Sethi, he can come. I just want this assurance from all of you. Will you at least open 3 NRI calls this month? Can you please write in the chat? Because that will give me confidence that yes, this team is absolutely on for NRI. So will you open NRI calls?
Please write in a chat box, friends. I'm sure you all must be motivated by listening to our 3 champions today, and you would be soon one, and we will invite you also.
Okay, a lot of people are writing yes, they will open calls. Yes, sure, okay, great. Okay, Kamini Bakshi, yes. Rashri, yes. Satish Patra, yes. Pradnya, yes. Very nice, great. So Darshan, आप वो वाला पोर्शन जरूर दिखा देना दर्शन कि what should we send as WhatsApp, what should we send as emails, messages, so that we are able to start a conversation, send a mail, talk to the NRIs. So how do we strengthen? Thank you, Murthy ji. We'll open 3 calls you have written. Thank you, Soumya Murthy. All right, let's go ahead, please. Wonderful. You open calls and you'll get conversions, I'm sure.
Sure.
Ramesh ji, you're saying something, Ramesh Babuji from Cochin. Go ahead, please, Darshan, please go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm just sharing the scripts which are available for us, right, which you can use. We also have a booklet. I'm just sharing the screen now. So, is it visible?
No, Darshan, no.
No, wait. Is it visible now, screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So approach techniques, how to approach now that NRI business is rewarding, a smart way of doing business, how to approach. So we have made tailor-made scripts. We can approach through email, WhatsApp, or by calling. So I'm just sending you, sharing with you some of the sample scripts which you can share. And these are all available on a WhatsApp, on an editable form, in a Word form, so that you can copy paste. The only effort you need to do is you just need to write the customer client's name here in the dear section and your name at the bottom. Everything is drafted. This is a ready to send email message. You can send to all the NRIs. जिनके आप नाम लिखोगे 10, 15, 20 लोगों को नाम लिखोगे, सबको ये भेजना है. So this is the one message, email script 1. We have another email script, second email script. This is also you can send on email. Again, copy paste, just write your name in the blanks और उनका country लिखो. So it will give a ready to send message for you, editable again. We have WhatsApp message also. अगर आपको छोटा message चाहिए, if you want a small message, this is a shorter version of message you can send over a WhatsApp. तो ये भी available है. If you want to call, अगर आपको वीडियो कॉलिंग या फोन कॉल करना है, then क्या स्क्रिप्ट होनी चाहिए, that is also mentioned here. कॉल ओपनिंग के लिए क्या स्क्रिप्ट करनी चाहिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो मेंशन हियर. We also have NRI booklet which you can send to your NRI prospects, which is a compliance approved customer facing NRI booklet. We have NRI videos. All these you can send, to create your prospecting. Right? So I think now what we will do is we will take the questions. Is already 1 hour past 3. So I think many questions are there in chat. So let me make you all unmute, and one by one, if there are any questions if you have relating to login, any objections, documentation, what challenge you face during your call or during the login of policy, you can ask one by one. You can unmute and ask. Any questions?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Murthy here, sir.
Yeah, Mr.
Murthy from Mumbai 3, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have logged in on
Recording
NRA.
stopped.
I have logged in my NRA policy.
Okay.
Existing customer. I had given a SAP plan 5 years ago.
Okay.
Now recently showed interest for the ULIP plan. So we had a meeting with Beena Desai madam. She explained everything, agreed to it, and he has taken a policy for 2.5 lakhs ULIP plan, PWP, 5/10. Okay, sir. And he's given the documents, PVC verification is done, payment, everything is done. He's given all the documents. Login has been done. Now only one hitch is there. He's not prepared to give the FTIN number. That is a hitch now.
Which country?
FTIN number, sir.
No,
Then
but the client is from which country?
USA, America, USA.
Okay.
Then I had a discussion with Kiran ma'am. She also spoke to him and explained all the details. Then his apprehension is that suppose I give the FTN number, people may misuse the FTN number and date of birth. People may create a credit card and they may misuse the details. That's his apprehension. Is not prepared to give that FTN number.
No,
So
it's
is there
not
any-
like that. See, we have a data privacy policy. Axis Max Life, will never share its public and private information with public. So rest assured about that. Because the FTIN is a mandatory requirement. I think I have sent you a message also. I
you
have
sent a message to me.
where where there are CBDT circulars of income tax which came in 2023, which mandated FTIN as a compulsory document. So don't worry about the data privacy of your client. If they have any challenges, they can send it on our official email ID, nri.helpdesk. If they think sharing it with the advisor or someone else on a WhatsApp is compromising the compromising the privacy of his document, then he can send to our official email ID. That is also possible.
Actually, Kiran ma'am has explained all the details to him. In spite of this, also he is still adamant. He is worried about the security of this FTN number. So I just wonder, is there any CBD circular?
We do have.
One more thing, sir. He's saying now he has taken policies this year only from ICICI Bank and LIC. He's saying they're not insisting. How come Maxlife is insisting on the FTN
every
number?
company in India, every life insurance company has to follow income tax rule. It is not only for Axis Max Life to follow income tax rules and other companies not to follow. So I think it is not right. FTI is mandatory from 2023. There was a amendment done in a Finance Act 2023, and it clearly requires all the life insurance companies in India to provide for FTIN, foreign tax identification number, and we are a compliant life insurance company. Whatever we are taking is as per the government regulation guideline, income tax guideline. So I don't think so the customer should be worried for that. So just give a assurance to customer that your document which you will share is safe and secured with Axis Max Life repository. Then it will not be shared with anyone.
The one thing, suppose you take his tax filing document, hiding this FTA number. Is it possible? Can we convince our underwriting team and then log in, close the policy?
What you can do is there can be one exception approval which we can do. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
share the FTIN number rather than FTIN paper. So just share the number. We have to get the exceptional approval for that.
Tax document will get it. Is
Number,
it
number, only number. Social security number without sharing the document.
So he's saying FTA number, social security number, employee ID number, all are same. For individuals, all three are same, he says in US.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's why he's not prepared to share any of these things. Either social security number or FTA number or employee ID. All three are same for individual. That's what he's
You have
saying.
to convince her. That is what I would say.
Yeah.
We are doing
Yeah.
as per the government compliance. We are a compliant life insurance company. I would not say we will get any exception for this. This is a
Ah.
yeah. So you have to convince. I will send you. I message you. Just
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
tell someone from your office, your manager.
Yeah,
or
I told Kiran madam to send a mail to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Or tell Kiran ma'am to send me a mail. I have that email of that
Ah.
circulars where this mandates to send FTIN. Looking at that circular, I think customer will get convinced that yes, this is government of India requirement. That's why they are following it. So this will give some confidence to them. Okay.
Okay, sir. She will send the mail to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Thank you.
Any more questions from anyone? Okay. So no more questions. Any question in chat? Let me see. You can raise your hand if you have a question. Rekha Vinayak has asked a question for newcomer in Max Life. How can we do basic in NRI? So you can, Rekha ji, you can contact with your NRI BDM from your region, or LPC. They will support you with the NRI content material. Even your manager, office head will be having this material, or they can collect from the BDM or me this basic material. You have to attend the basic learning. You have to see the basic of NRI, and then you can open the NRI call. It's not difficult to do NRI business. Products are same, only little thing different in the process and login. So I'm sure you can learn. If you can open the call, our team can help you in getting it closed. You just do a prospecting. That is what I would say. Yeah, Rajesh ji, you can exit, and thank you so much, Rajesh ji, for your participation. And Priyesh ji also, thank you for your participation. And everyone, I think Peri Shankar ji also, he's not there, but thank you to you also. So let me see if there are any questions. How to tackle tariff issue? So tariff issue will not directly impact us. Tariff issue will not impact NRI business. Yes, there is a remittance tax 3.5% that will impact. For that we have done session last time. The Taruna Ghosh has asked, for Canada people remittance tax is applicable. No, it is only for USA, not for Canada. Lakshman Wadhwa has asked, can we send illustration in UK pounds? No, we can only send in INR. We are Indian life insurance company, so we deal in INR only. Okay, Nalini madam, you are working on NRI call. Great to see. Good, I think so. I think I have covered many questions. So thank you very much, everyone. We will connect every Saturday like this. I will share the time with you. What would be the time for next week? So thank you everyone for the participation. Thank you BDMs, LPCs, ZLPCs for driving the attendance. Thank you everyone. I'm sure this will help you and you will open more and more NRI calls. Thank you so much everyone.